Hello, 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 everyone.
What's up, Facebook people?
What's up, my peeps?
Y'all are never going to guess what we're doing today. That and we're,
Y'all might be scared of what we're doing
Yeah.
with 4 rolls of toilet paper.
I know. and listen, we went to Sonic and I've got and y'all tell me, I say Route 66. Is it Route or Route or is it even 66? Maybe it's Route 44. What is it?
I'm going to be honest. I say both, but route. To me, that's probably more of a southern thing.
Oh my goodness.
It probably should be root.
Oh, and look, I just caught a glimpse. I can see my feet under this table.
Do I need to... do I need to...
It's fine.
At least you got on shoes.
That's right. Oh my God, I saw somebody just say the hurricane is upon them.
It's here.
Y'all
It's
let
there.
us know how it's going.
Do y'all have hurricane parties?
Probably only if it's not really threatening. Route 66. Look at Joyce.
Route.
Thank you.
It's not route. Hey, Tracy. Thank y'all so much for joining us this afternoon. Hey, Kathy from Indy. I promise we don't have stomach issues.
And listen to this. I am sending out the broadcast.
Somebody else is saying root.
Okay.
It's getting close to Joyce.
Let's see.
Is it route or root? Do you say it like R-O-O-T? Like that kind of root?
Well, I think I saw somebody spell it out like that.
Yes.
So I think that's good. And I see the wind is picking up.
In clear water. Oh my goodness. Y'all stay safe and we'll be praying. And then we will have the wind and the rain for the next 7 days.
Yeah, we can use the rain.
Not that much.
Yeah, not the wind.
Also, my emotions don't really want that much rain either.
Exactly.
There's
Oh my
another
goodness.
route. We got some roots. I think we're all over the place.
And y'all listen, Jenny went out. I was looking for cinnamon sticks, but I didn't have enough. And so Jenny went out to the ditch. I think it was the ditch.
If
Right?
I was in the ditch with my good shoes on.
Look, she was either at the ditch or a neighbor's house, and she cut a limb. So hopefully it was the ditch.
I was in the ditch. Hey, Lynn.
This is a super fun idea. And I was thinking, to like kind of make your bathroom a little fallish. And then I had this super cute fabric that I hadn't done anything with.
I love that fabric.
It's so pretty, isn't it?
It is, yes.
And guess
It's
what?
great.
Y'all, I hate to cut my fabric. So I said, we're going to make pumpkins.
And these holes are plenty big enough for all the excess.
That's right.
I think
Oh
I
my
want to
goodness.
use.
Which one do you want? That's pretty. I
I
like that
like
one.
this one.
Okay. We can kind of
We
do
could
it.
make a bandana too.
Yeah. Anyway, I had big plans. I didn't know what they were. I always have big plans when I get fabric.
I always have big plans for a lot of things, and then I'm just surprised. Hey, Jeannie.
Anyway,
I'm so glad y'all are on here with us.
these are actually,
Are they squares?
they're called fat squares, but it's kind of shaped like a rectangle.
Did you say fat squares?
Fat squares.
Is that right? I
That's-
like that.
I like it, yeah. Anyway, so you just take your roll of toilet paper and put it in the middle, and then I just start stuffing the fabric down the middle.
Gathering
And stuffing.
Just carry on.
And listen, this is the great thing. You can reuse the fabric and you can use the toilet paper.
Yes. When you start getting low, just grab a pumpkin off the back.
Yeah, exactly.
Ta-da!
Jenny, that's so cute.
I love this fabric. I really do love these oranges.
And y'all, we have been just like having all kinds of fun. And I said, Jenny, we need to just get on here and show them something super simple. and show them what we have been having fun with.
Oh, yes.
Well, one thing, like if you're on Refresh Restyle Refresh Restyle something with Debbie Westbrooks, that's me. In fact, we haven't even introduced ourselves. My name's Debbie, Refresh Restyle, and this is my daughter.
Jenny, just Jenny.
And she has a page too.
Yeah, so if you're not already following me, fat quarters. These are fat quarters.
What do I call them? Fat squares?
I think so. I just like the fat part.
Hey, look, there's Kathy from Dyersburg.
Hey, Kathy.
And Dorothy from Missouri. But anyway, y'all, we've been just having fun, coming up with new stuff. So if you type the word fabric, let me make sure that's right.
Oh my gosh, y'all had an earthquake in, did you say North Carolina and South Carolina? I guess you could probably feel it in both.
Oh my gosh. Oh, and speaking of which, I have not activated this thing yet.
I'm the worst about following through. I have a lot of good ideas in this head.
Yeah. Y'all give me a minute.
And I just get myself real distracted most of the time. The fabric, do you have a tape measure in here?
Yes. And y'all, the key word is fabric. Can somebody check it for me?
Somebody type in fabric and see if that works. I'm going to say, what is that? Like a foot, like maybe 2 foot.
And I ordered this from Walmart. And if you click on that link that I'm sending you, there's like lots of different, like I got Christmas fat quarters.
Yeah. 19. I don't know. They're probably all a little different too.
I see Patty and Diane they just both commented fabric. So
19 by 23. If you're on my page, just Jenny, I will send you the links once we finish up.
Aren't they so cute?
Super cute. But that one was 19 by 20. So I
think they all are.
Oh,
I don't know.
Something around that.
Anyway, they are. Oh, thanks, Evie. So then you can take a stick. You can take cinnamon sticks. You could take
like finial tops.
Yes, and look, I even have like a bag of different things you could even use. Or like these.
Wooden spools would be cute too.
Yes.
Hey, Ophelia, on my page it's not going to work. I'll send y'all, if y'all want the links, I'll send them once we finish up.
And then for the top, you can add ribbon, you can add some leaves, all kinds of things. But we're just going to tie some ribbon around, and I need to grab the scissors. And y'all, you might see me stepping funny over here. Clementine, Jenny's baby, is laying over here on the floor.
She wants to be right next to us. Yes, if you're on my page, on Just Jenny, I will send you the links when we finish up. So it's not going to work on my page. 19 by 23. Thank you, Kelly. I knew I didn't pay attention. I don't pay attention. I think I am sometimes.
Well, look,
try.
I was going to say yesterday, I went to Hobby Lobby because I was like, I need
your other one.
Something. I could not remember. I walked around the store. Barry called me. He said, "What are you doing?" I said, "Well, I went to Walmart. I picked up my prescription, and I'm at Hobby Lobby, but I can't remember."
Now I'm just in here wandering around.
And I said, "I have decided just to let Hobby Lobby tell me what I need since I can't remember."
That's right. Just let Hobby Lobby direct you to wherever it is.
Anybody that I saw somebody on Refresh Restyle asking for a link. All you got to do is type the word fabric.
And on my page, if you type fabric, I will send it to you when we finish up. Look how adorable these are, guys.
I love it.
And look, I came back and loosened my, just pulled the fabric out a little bit just to fluff it up a tad.
I love that. Will you fluff mine up too?
I will. Happy to.
And look, here's what I wanted to show y'all. Y'all know.
Oh, yeah, this is exciting.
Y'all know we have resin at Chalk Couture now. Well, I was messing with some of our ornaments that we have on the cutout shop, and I did this. I've got a video for it, and I'll post it soon. But look how beautiful it looks with the resin.
it's like very classy, high-end looking.
And I even put some silver glitter in there for the stars.
Thank you so much for the stars, the stars. And thank y'all for sprinkling us out.
Yeah, but look, isn't this
It's
gorgeous?
gorgeous.
There's going to be more ideas with resin to come. But
that looks so
we've been playing with the resin and we love it.
Absolutely.
So I also put a link to the cutout shop.
And I do have the cutout shop on mine, but like I said, I'll send everything.
I think I just saw Misty hopping on somewhere. And look, I just grabbed a bunch. Do y'all buy these? It's like a big old bundle from Michael's. It has like different little ribbons. And you can use one or all or whatever.
Bundle.
Tracy, isn't that crazy?
What is it?
She was saying that ornament looks awesome.
It does look really good.
I don't know. Look, y'all.
It looks very classy.
I kind of lose my mind when I get to try something new.
And start using it on everything. I do.
And I told Jenny, I said, I love it on the cutouts. I was like, oh my goodness.
And we've got
a lot of cutouts that you can use it on.
Yes, but not only that, we got all of the new chalk.
Right. Release.
All the new chalk release. We have got all of the cutouts loaded on the site that go along with those. So they're ready for y'all.
Kathy, yes, the resin's easy to do. In fact, I've got a video here on the page. You just have to wait 24 hours to let it dry.
Let it get nice and cured up.
But I love it.
What color?
That's pretty.
Maybe I should have tied that one on first. Somebody's getting some toilet paper pumpkins this weekend. How did you keep it from running out? Well,
it's a two-piece.
It's a two-piece. So the top, the part that goes all around the edges and stuff, that's glued on. This really just...
Don't you love it?
Yes, it just elevated the style like times 10.
How do you get the chalk patterns? Listen, Barry and Jenny do all that kind of stuff. So I think you can use, oh gosh, the business silhouette to make SVGs. I'm looking for more questions. Oh my gosh, y'all, I just used 3 little pieces of ribbon and look how cute that is.
So cute.
I know. Toilet paper rolls.
And look, you're not wasting, because we didn't cut our fabric, so we can make other stuff with this, and then you can wipe with this when it's time for, not the fabric, but the toilet paper.
When you need to.
Yes. Oh, Clementine.
She's moving our table.
Sorry. She was like, you girls.
Stacy said, do we have a glow forge? No, we've got a couple of thunder lasers. Love seeing us together. We love being together.
Yes, we do. We have fun, y'all.
I highly recommend crafting with your daughter.
Same.
Oh, somebody said they seen somebody make apples. That's cute.
Apples out of toilet paper?
Yeah.
How smart.
Well, and I was about to say, we didn't invent this. This has been around forever.
We're just doing our own.
Yeah. And then,
oh, I like this polka dot.
Oh, that's cute. Like I said, you could put little pieces of floral picks, little leaves, whatever you want to put.
Some moss, some of that
yes.
Spanish moss would be cute around the stem.
The only thing I was thinking is, I don't want to cut my fabric.
And we're reusing this.
Yeah.
So we didn't want to get glue.
Plus, we want a stinking cute
fall ready bathroom.
Exactly.
And you've got it. You didn't waste your toilet paper because the fabric just pulls right off. Uh-oh, I think Lock and Pop are home.
Oh, and Susan just says making apples out of cut apart pool noodles. That's a great idea.
Good, I'm going to do that.
Y'all, isn't it apple season? I know it's pumpkin season.
Yes, I know that it has to be because they are learning about apples and Johnny Appleseed at school.
Oh, yeah. So if y'all want the links to the cutouts, the Walmart fabric.
And then it's also got the link to the resin.
Right, the Chalk Couture shop. Hey, and look, we've got our
the
little
star of the show.
Our little school man here.
What do you think, Locke?
You like these toilet papers?
We just wrapped toilet paper in fat quarters.
You like it?
And I went to the ditch and cut some. It's toilet paper. See, we've got a little roll over there.
Look, everybody's saying, "Hey, Locke."
Tell them hey,
Can you tell them hey?
What kind of apple snack did y'all have today?
Apple caramel.
Ooh.
Oh, dip the apple slices in caramel?
No.
No?
It had those sprinkles and then the caramel.
Oh my
Yum.
goodness, that
And
sounds
I
so
got
good.
The seeds.
You did?
Yes.
This week we Locke's teacher had all the parents send different apple snacks. Was it yesterday y'all got to eat the one we brought?
No.
We did apple fritters one day. I'm not sure what day. Y'all, my life is like
I think
a
it was Monday.
whirlwind.
It was the first day.
Tuesday. I think it
Catherine,
was Tuesday.
the key word is fabric. And I ordered this fabric online, so I've got you a link.
Oh no, not the ribbon, the fabric.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna get me some fat quarters just because I like saying that.
Yeah. Well, and listen, the fun thing about this is you don't have to go buy anything because we've all got toilet paper.
Yes, and you know what? If y'all have some, just some
Old shirts or
flannel
something.
shirts that you're not using or your husband's not, get your husband's.
Yeah, fabric, Fabric. And somebody asked if Jenny moved near us. Well, actually, we moved closer to Jenny.
We got them up here.
So, we're in Tennessee. We were in South Alabama.
These are so cute.
I love them.
I can't wait to go stick them on the back of the toilet.
I know.
I think Clementine's happy to see her brother.
Look, Connie likes apple
Apple fritters are delicious.
Yeah,
And Locke told me that they were a hit.
Walmart has pumpkins and watermelons. Okay.
All right. But I know this week, I don't know what
They were delicious.
they're learning about Johnny Appleseed. Is that his
We're not-
name? Johnny Appleseed?
Yep,
Yeah.
Johnny Appleseed.
And then his real name is Johnny Chapman.
Johnny
His real
Chapman.
name is Johnny Chapman. I didn't know that. And y'all, on
And
my
he
page,
lived
Just Jenny,
He-
I'll send you the links
He lived
once we finish up.
206 years ago.
Thanks, Ann.
206?
Years
I
Oh,
don't
my.
know if y'all know this or not, but Locke is like,
Look
and
at
it's,
my elbow.
he's so smart, guys, and he just remembers so many things.
Especially everything about Johnny Appleseed. Do you know anything about Johnny Pumpkin?
I'm just so kicking.
There's no such thing.
Oh gosh, thank y'all so much for joining us. Hey Cindy, Carolyn, I hope y'all are doing good. And I hope everybody that's on the coast is staying safe and hunkered down. How'd you get a boo-boo?
I don't know. I just don't remember the little dot.
Oh, my.
My band-aid fell off.
Oh no.
Somebody said if we ever had a corn fritter. I have not.
I don't know what that is, but I'm sure it's delicious.
Yeah. Thank you, Cheryl.
Thanks so much for joining us. Did his little head just go by?
Y'all, go do something fun today. Make some toilet paper pumpkins.
Or apples?
Yeah, apples sound good too.
Yes.
And the keyword on Refresh Restyle is fabric, and that'll be a link for Chalk Couture. It'll be a link for the fabric
the cutouts.
and the cutouts. And we will see y'all later. Thank you so
Bye,
much.
guys.